Go.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, I am deeply honored to have been selected as the laureate to accept an Emerging Leaders Award. I am one of the managers who have made these marks in Minnesota business. I am sincerely grateful for recognition and the program sponsor the MBA Leadership resulting featured in the Twin Cities Business Monthly magazine which initiated the whole events. I should admit did stand when I learned about my nominations. Without false modesty, I feel that others managers are also worthy of this reward. However, I realize that it can't be divided into 5. So again, I want to express my gratitude to you. I am very pleased to receive this award, and I'm very pleased also because it was one of my child dreams to stand in the front of many people, accepting an award, recognizing my qualities and achievements. So today, you are present at the fulfillment of my dream. I can express my excitement and inspiration with this award. That in the years of my clouded childhood, I couldn't imagine how interesting my life would be, of course. I faced a lot of challenges out. I succeeded to overcome them and gained outstanding experience before entering the business sphere. I served in the U.S. Army during the time I patrolled the East-West German border as country scouts until the wall came down. I also served on Operation Desert Storm. Those days in my past house, but something invaluable remains with me is my character which built up then. I had to overcome professional difficulties and personal storms of life. But I succeeded. I started my career as a pressman and then worked my way as a plant manager to oversee 2 manufacturing operations. I think this is real success, and today's award is a symbol of that success. And today's award is a symbol of that success. I believe that 6 qualities which brought me here tonight were gained in the days of my youth. These qualities include professionalism, the demonstration of potential and capacity to grow under corresponding circumstances. I also try to create a climate in which people are motivated to excel, so that they were engaged into work and contributed their best. Thus, I focus on the teamwork. I taught others to be selfless in achieving goals that will benefit the whole organizations. Without waiting for reward, but first, I demonstrated on my personal example. I was an intentional learner who concentrated on self-improvement and encouraging in others. I taught my employees to be courageous in taking well-reasoned risks and embracing productive conflict, showing good judgment in gathering input and investigating the company's strategic goals, and certainly I followed instructions as well. But I should tell you that throughout my life, I always met people who can take something from them, of course, with their permission. I can always open up to new initiatives, new people, and new cooperation. I think it is the pledge of successful performance today, because the world is changing so rapidly that we can fail to keep a best active position and beneficial today. So guided by these principles, I always take the best qualities of my employees, friends, and family, apply them to my professional life, and so you can see me here, of course. No, it's a joke, but I do learn from my environment. People around are cleverer than something. You have to listen and watch attentively. I want to express my gratitude to my family, which supported me in all my undertaking. Company and everyone I work with every day to make out operations successful. I am very pleased to have received this award. Thank you for your choice and for your trust in me. I will do my best to justify your trust and contribute Minnesota business with the products and services of our company. Thank you.